Okay, I don't know if that last clip I just took showed up or not. The battery went dead right in the middle of it. So here we are with the wider wheel. We need the front side of this one. So this front side along with that back side is going to give us 4 5/8 to fit the 450 Hoosier. So there you go. We get started. I'm just starting to put a score a line around it. As you can see, the shape of the bead of the weld has got a nice point to it, right? Right, you see those points there? So what we're doing is we're just trying to stay right on those points. That's the best guess we can give of the center of this thing. In some places you can actually see maybe a little edge of the wheel, but if you can't see both sides, you can't really guess. So we're going to stay right on that. I'm pretty sure they probably set the robot up so it welds right down. The wire runs right down the middle. Here's the start-stop. So yeah, it looks pretty close. Actually, I wonder if that thing would have held air or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to just, as we turn this thing, follow the center of those beads right around. Get a nice groove going. I just put a new blade on with a little more aggressive teeth, so this won't take as long. It is, after all, a holiday, right? But once we get this one cut through and we're ready to pop it off, I'll put you up here and I'll show you exactly how we go ahead and take this wedge and what happens to it when it comes apart. We'll give you a little saw cutting action here before we let you go. What do you think? I'm listening to some Christian radio. I think it's AM radio, and they're talking about the founding fathers and how, a lot of atheists or even deists, people that believe in a higher power, but they don't believe in an almighty God that created us. They're going back through history, some of the writings of the founding fathers, and the proofs that these folks were really God-fearing Christian people. They weren't just, they weren't pagans. Their gods weren't made of wood and metal or something, whatever. But interesting stuff. Like I said in that first 4th of July message, do a little research. I'm not just taking what this guy has to say on the radio as the truth. I'm going to go ahead and follow it up and check it out. But I've already done my homework. I know pretty much who those people were. They were good people. That's why they came here, because England told them, you have to follow our church. And they said, yeah, no, So there we go. To Brad Jr., Brad Jackson Jr., who just sent me a happy 4th of July text message, and I returned. You and your dad, we appreciate your service, and all the rest of you guys out there that have served, whether you worked in a motor pool, or you changed oil in helicopters, or you walked around out there on patrol with a weapon and got shot at, or you have loved ones that have gotten killed. We appreciate everything you've done so we can stay at home and play with go-karts, which is pointless. Love y'all. God bless y'all.